a life of Chris. Yeah, she a wife, a boss, and plus she a mama 3. Ain't never exploring, living a life on the border, no telling what she gonna see. An entrepreneur, she always looking to the future while currently getting it done. Really a vibe, so won't you come and subscribe? We gonna have us some fun, yeah.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do.
Is that exciting? Can't stop, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys can see, we're here at the fair. So the fair is in town. John's at his car. Say hi. Gee, that's a sloppy one, boy. Yeah, so we're here at the fair, and we just ate at Serpent Crab. We went out for a late Valentine's Day dinner. When it's crowded on Valentine's Day, we don't want no parts to do with the crowd, so we decided to do it a day later. So we went out to eat, and now we're here. So it's really nice. It was 90 degrees today, y'all. Like it was wicked hot today. So we decided to come out, and we are here. So it's not as crazy or crowded for Wednesday, but it's not super crowded, which is good. So all right, so they're gonna be riding the rides, and I'm just gonna be walking around and then probably get my fried Oreos. So,
we went to the Wizard of Oz. You got it. There you go. There you go.
For your body, so give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning?
There we go. There we go.
Somebody is really trying to walk.
We gotta go back to the car.
You're gonna get it, boo. Don't worry. Thanks. Relax. You trying to play too? Yes, y'all. He is 10 months and he is trying to walk already. Like he's already been trying to walk. Okay. Okay. He's been trying to walk for a while, but like he's at the point now where like he's tired of crawling because he wants to walk. So, what you doing? Here. So yeah, we're here at the playground getting some sun. It's supposed to be beautiful today after this cold spell we've been having in Texas. Nice that it's gonna be back in the 80s and 90s. Yeah. Wrong way, boo-boo.
Where are you trying to go? He's trying to go downstairs. I thought he was coming to me. He wants to go down. Ribs. Are you eating ribs?
He was eating the bone.
Yeah?
He was sucking on the bone.
You're eating ribs.
Hey. Yeah, Maddie noticed that the other day. Yeah. Look, he's trying to go. Say hi. You say, hey, beautiful people. Oh. Y'all, he is ready to walk. We just gotta work on his balance. Oh, where you taking that? Where you taking that? Gotta work on his balance because he walks, like when he likes walking with one hand. Say hi. Beautiful people, hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful and restful President's Day weekend. It has been a restful one it's been a restful but busy one for us. The kids didn't have school on Friday, which I found out the day before because usually kids are only out for usually kids are out Monday, but apparently the kids were out Friday and Monday. So I had to take advantage of the rest, okay? So we have literally been sleeping in and waking up late. I made sure to turn off all my alarms because I was not trying to hear that, okay? I was not trying to hear an alarm over this weekend. So we went to church today and then we went out to get some errands, and then me and Maddie went to get our nails done. I usually get my shellac, but I wanted to keep it basic and classy. So me and Maddie went to the nail salon and went to get some yogurt together, and now we're home getting ready for the night because it's almost bedtime. So I want to say thank you guys so much for the sweet words on my wedding dress shopping video. Here he comes. Yeah. Somebody's getting sleepy. Oh, you getting sleepy, boo-boo? You getting sleepy? Okay, mommy's coming. Okay, mommy's coming. So thank you guys so much for the kind words. So a lot of you guys liked dress number 2 and dress number 3. And I'm just like, yo, I just want to get both. But I'm looking now because I know I'm going to be making life decisions when it comes to the dress. I'm trying to get to that point where it's like, if you know the IYK. If you know. See, I'm trying to get to that point. So go look again. I don't know what the big guy's schedule's like this week, but next time when he has time off, we'll go looking again. Usually brides to be bring their girls and everything, but my husband is my only friend here, so it was nice that he came. And like I said, just seeing him look at me in a dress, because he's never seen me with a wedding dress on, so to see him see me in one was just like definitely will look again. But if I don't find anything else, I know which ones that I'm going to go with. And like I said, make life decisions about. So yeah, I'm getting the invitations done because those need to go out according to this timeline. Let me show y'all real quick. But I'm going to do a blog post like breaking down everything just in case, you know, you're getting married and you are looking for a way to stay on top of it, or if you aren't using a wedding planner or anything. I'll link down below the exact shop that I got it from. This is, so basically you have the wedding guest. So you write down all your guests. And then you have the wedding itineraries. So basically how you want your day to go. The planner, so pre-event task list, event suppliers, expense list, because you got to have that. Your guest list information. You see, has 12 months, 11 months, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we are 12 months before. You set a budget, make a list, make a guest list, hire a wedding planner, decide the style and theme, choose a venue, color scheme. So basically it's just a guideline, which is truly a blessing because it helps me to stay on top of everything. And as the time goes, you know, you gotta make sure you take care of everything. So 11 months before, hire your photographer, videographer, band, DJ, all the things. Now, of course, some things you have to do out of order just to make sure that you're on top of everything. But that, I just love that guideline. So like I said, I'll leave it down below. So this is the wedding planning binder that I'm using, and it is holding your girl accountable to make sure I stay on top of everything. So I love it. I'm glad that me and Maddie went to get our nails done. It was nice because I have not pampered myself in a while. Like I haven't got my eyebrows done in a while, my nails done. I didn't get a chance to get a pedicure because time was just winding down. Everything closes early on Sundays. So I'm just trying to prioritize self-care more. I tried to practice the poly gel. I tried to do the gel overlay. Told y'all this is going to be a year of get somebody else to do it. I cannot continue to overextend myself trying to do everything. I'd rather just pay somebody to just help me take care of myself, and of course within my means, but at the same time, like, you know, I'm really trying to do better with prioritizing my self-care because I really feel like postpartum depression is still trying to creep up on me sometimes. Postpartum depression is no joke, and when you don't take time to take care of yourself, it can get to you, and I'm trying to make sure that it does not get to me because I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. Trying to get these clothes off of me. I'm getting ready for bed. All right, baby, mommy's coming, okay? Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming. Let me just say goodnight, okay? Can we say goodnight first? Okay. All right, you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful and restful rest of your weekend. And we'll see you guys in the next video. We'll say bye. Say bye. Bye. Peace.